Truly speaking, water is life. And water being life, it either gives you life or it destroys your life. In this place, mostly we don't have boreholes. We collect water from the swamp. The water, if I can show it to you, the water is greenish. You cannot drink it.
In this community, our community schools have very high occurrences of students absenteeism from school. Why? Because students are sick all the time, mostly because of these water-related diseases.
Most of the water, whether it's a well or surface water, is contaminated in East Africa, where they're waterborne illnesses, which is very common, and then they can't work, and it has a lot of social impact. Safe Water Social Ventures program is a sustainable development, so we help teach people in African countries how to build water filters and then how to run a business selling those water filters.
And knowing that we have access to clean water, I think we definitely take that for granted, right? Knowing that you turn the tap on, have that sip of water, not worry about it. So having an event like this allows folks to have that awareness, because I think when you don't realize that your water is that accessible and that clean to drink, it becomes a realization that other parts of the world don't have that same privilege as we do.
So the Cup for a Cup initiative is a great way that businesses around Ontario and Canada can support safe water projects in places like Uganda. So every time you order something or you buy something from these businesses, a cup of water is donated in return. My involvement with the Clean Water Initiative is that we partner with Safe Water Social Ventures and our local partners in Uganda, who are the ones who help distribute the water filters amongst the community.
We basically build the biosand water filters from concrete, and coupled with a few natural ingredients, we are able to provide the filter in the local community and the local families that enables them to access clean, safe, and filtered water for human consumption.
And the people who sold to us, the biosand project people, they came and did everything for us. After putting the sand and preparing the whole system for us, they told me what to do, and they told me how to do it. They told me the period that I have to spend without drinking, and finally when I should begin. They have been monitoring me. They have been coming here. They came when there is some problem with the filters. I call them, they come, and they do whatever they have to do, until finally I had to learn. It's a matter of just pouring water there, and it drains out by itself. There's not much work needed.
It's really, we're building capacity. So it's really encouraging. Our last project we started in Jinja, I didn't go. The team in Packwatch trained them how to make the filters, how to sell the filters, how to run a business, did the market assessment, business plan, started up without us even going. And so that's really good, is you can transfer that knowledge and then you're not required anymore.
Before I got this thing of cup for cup, I was boiling water. You bring it from the other side, you boil it. It would be costing firewood, the time to put it there to cool. It saves so much. It saves so much. So much, because you don't boil. You just put a filter. You don't have to go to the well. You just have to filter. It simplifies work. It has really given me a bit softer life.
So among so many other things, the impact of the biosand water filters program has been enormous. We have noticed people's health change, people's livelihoods becoming better, and students are now able to attend school because now people are healthier. They are able to consume clean filtered water, and so they have more work time, thereby increasing the productivity in their home, and thereby increasing even the level of health as well as the community welfare altogether. And over just the last year, we have been able to install over 200 units in over 200 homes in the communities.
Rudisha is a very good company. It has helped a lot because before we couldn't even afford the filter because it was expensive, even helping other people who can't afford the filter.
So the limiting factor is actually these ongoing annual donations that would help with these discounts for the poorest of the poor. So the Cup for a Cup is a way to get an annual donation where, hey, we're going to replace all the water every year. So basically, if you donate $100, somebody's going to save $1,000. You're going to multiply 10 times without any matching funds or anything. It's just that's how much they save on medicine. So it's going to create local jobs, and so it's very sustainable. I literally go and visit them every year. Like, that's how tangible they are. These are the families that are helped, and so it's very encouraging to find a way that people can actually give back in a way that makes a difference.
The Safe Water Project does need a lot of funding and support. And if these businesses are able to provide that, then that's wonderful. And then they have their own network too. And I think if they set an example, then there are others who can join in. So it's really important for the business community to do this.
It's just so compelling that $120 helps a family get safe water for 25 years and provides local employment. And so it's such a tangible way to actually have a meaningful, prolonged benefit that it's really accessible.